Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crustless quiche. Here's a list of ingredients you're going to need to make this. You're going to need 3/4 cup Bisquick mix, half a cup of shredded cheese, half a cup of Parmesan, 4 eggs, 12 ounces of broccoli, 2 cups of milk, 8 ounces of thick ham, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard, salt, pepper, and garlic. Okay, so I know a lot of people are doing low carb diets. This does have some carbs, it does have some, but not as much as a normal quiche would have, okay? So you can interchange all of these recipes, like you can have low-fat milk, you can have low-fat cheeses. I have pretty much just normal cheese, 2% milk, but you can change this. This is your kitchen, you can do you, okay? But this is a very delicious quiche, and I think you're really gonna enjoy it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are gonna take 4 eggs, and we're gonna just whisk those up. Okay. Whisk up your 4 eggs. Okay. And to this, we are going to add 3/4 cup of Bisquick mix, pancake mix. This is where your carbs are, but this is 3/4 in the entire quiche. So we're gonna mix that together as well. It's gonna be lumpy, so don't worry about that. I mean, it's just like kind of like when you're making pancakes. And then we're gonna add some milk to this. Okay, this is very quick. It takes quite a while in the oven, but getting it together is pretty quick. So just mix some milk in there. 2 cups of milk. Like I said, I have 2%, but you can do low fat if you want, skim milk. Make this how you want it. I love this fresh out of the oven, and then I save it, and then I warm it up throughout the rest of the week to eat it, because honestly, no one else in my family will eat this but me. But it's delicious. I've made it great. It's great for like a breakfast, or it's great for a little brunch. I eat it at lunchtime. I eat it whenever, really. This is another one of those recipes I've been making for quite a long time. So I thought it'd be nice to bring it to you guys and just see if you guys want to try it. Okay, like I said, don't worry. This is going to be a little lumpy. Okay. My plate to put my dirty utensils on. Kind of keeps everything clean. Keeps everything organized. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side just for a second. This recipe is calling for some broccoli. I have put asparagus in here as well when I had leftover asparagus. My broccoli, this is just like the steamables. Usually want you to cook it for 5 minutes. I just put it for 3 minutes in the microwave. And now here it is. I just like the tops of the broccoli. So I cut these stems off, especially for this quiche. That's up to you. And then I kind of cut it up in bite size, okay? I get rid of the stem, keep the top part. My kids call it the trees. And just do that, okay? And do that use the entire bag, because this is gonna give you lots of fiber in this as well. Fiber and protein. When you mix fiber, protein, and carbs together, that's like the perfect combination for your body, in my opinion. I'm sure someone else has another opinion other than mine. I think we've found that out throughout the last year, that everybody has an opinion. But that one's mine. Take it for what it's worth. So I'll cut all the stems off. Okay, our broccoli's all cut up. And out of that whole bag, this is the bunch we get. Okay, so it's not too much. And now we're just gonna put it all together. So I don't have a quiche pan. Maybe I should get one. I don't. I just always use my pie plate. So we're gonna take our broccoli. We're gonna put it at the bottom of the plate. Okay, like that. We're gonna take 8 ounces of the thicker cut ham. Okay, and we're gonna cut it into cubes. So 8 ounces of ham. I'm gonna put that down in. That's it. Half a cup. I like sharp cheddar cheese. You pick the cheese you want. This is what I have. gonna do this. And I finally have purchased some real Parmesan. Believe me, you will notice the difference between real Parmesan and the little dust in the can. Half a cup of real Parmesan cheese. Look. Okay, just mix that all together in there. Now, this is our egg mixture that we had. We let it sit just for a minute, which is really good. We're gonna just stir this up a smidge more here. Okay, just a couple more things to this. We wanna add our house seasoning, garlic, salt, and pepper. I like quite a bit of that. And really, the special ingredient is dry mustard. And you're only putting 1/4, but it really does make a difference. It makes it really, really yummy, okay? So let's mix that all in. Okay, and then we're just gonna pour this mixture. Like I said, if it's lumpy, it's okay. That's okay. We're gonna pour this mixture over our ham, broccoli, and cheese. Okay. I have a hard time wasting anything. Okay, so we're just gonna kinda, shoot. I should have known better wearing a sweater. Just make sure everybody's kind of covered. Okay, and we're gonna throw this in the oven at 375, 50 to 60 minutes. And when I pull it out, I'll show you what it looks like.
All you need for this quick salad is some spring mix, dried cranberries, feta cheese, balsamic vinegar, and some extra olive oil.
Okay, so our quiche is done. You can see that. It's a little dark on the top, but I like my food really cooked. The kids always say I burn things. I don't feel like I burn it, but I do like it cooked really well. This was 50 minutes at 375. As it cools, it's gonna kind of come down a little bit. We're gonna let this cool just for a second. I'm gonna show you how to make a really yummy side salad to go with this. I'm gonna let this cool just for a second. So, we are gonna make a really quick salad to go with this quiche. Now, there was this wonderful little cafe in a town over from us. It's closed now, which is incredibly sad. But they used to serve different types of quiche and this really yummy spring salad, I think is what they called it. Oh, I love that salad so much. It has like arugula. Arugula is kind of like a spicy type of lettuce, I guess. So I'm gonna try to recreate that salad because I loved it with all my heart. I think I'll get it right. I'm sure if I don't get it right, somebody will let me know I didn't get it right. You know, that's just how life is. So, this is organic spring mix. I did not realize I had such a great big box. Like, I'm gonna have to eat a lot of this really quickly before it rots. So, we're gonna take a little bit of the spring mix. We're gonna take some dried cranberries, not a ton. It just, from the pepperiness of the arugula and the sweetness of these cranberries, and the saltiness of feta cheese. Why I love feta cheese so much, I have absolutely no idea. Okay, so you're just gonna sprinkle some feta cheese on top. Even if it's chunky, it's okay. I'm already excited. I believe they probably use white balsamic vinegar, but I only have this one, but it's gonna taste just as good. If you just have vinegar, just use a little bit of vinegar. It won't have that little sweet kick to it. It still will have the vinegary. Okay, just sprinkle it. And a tad bit of olive oil. Now, this salad is not low carb. I had no idea how many carbs are in dried cranberries, but there's 33 carbs in just 1/4 cup. So don't eat a ton of this if you're looking for low carb. Okay, so we're gonna cut our quiche. I need this to get it out. That's not too bad, I guess. Put our quiche here. Yum. Okay. So today, for some reason, I'm really reflecting on the year. And I'm just thinking, like, because it's been such a crappy year, why don't we eat food today on some fancy plates, get a fancy glass, get some Pellegrino, fill up your glass, get your good silverware out. Who cares even if it's tacos? Like, use your good dishes, okay? Get a nice napkin. Some of us haven't gone out to eat for a very long time because we're nervous of the coronavirus or whatever. Let's make pretend we're at a restaurant, a fancy restaurant, eating this delicious salad. I'm gonna have to try it because I have missed the salad for such a long time. It's so good. That spicy, that salty feta and the sweet cranberries and this quiche. You should probably let it cool just a little bit longer than I have. I think quiche is supposed to be like room temperature. It's still very, very warm. You guys really have to try this. I think you're gonna really enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you try the recipe, and I hope that the year is gonna be a lot better than it has been.
As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell, because the bell will tell you every single time I post a video. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, because that's what helps my videos.